Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create archive in GZIP compression on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create archive in GZIP compression, go to your shell. In shell, first I am going to create a directory mkdir gzip. The directory is created. Now cd gzip to enter the gzip directory. Now I am going to create some files which I want to archive. It will create 5 files, file 1 to file 5. Now hit enter and then ls. 5 files has been created. Now I want to archive in GZIP compression these 5 files. The command is tar c to create, g for GZIP, and f for file. And now type the archive file destination and the file name, root, desktop, and the file name is backup dot tar dot gz, and type the file names which you want to include in the archive. File 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, and file 5. Now hit enter and the archive is created on root desktop and the name is backup.tar.gz. Look, this is the archive. If you want to archive your all configurations in etc, just type tar cgf root desktop and the name etc backup .tar .gz and type the source location etc. This command will archive all files in etc in desktop and file name will be etc backup.tar.gz. Now hit enter. The archive is created and look, this is the etc backup.tar.gz. This is the easiest way to create archive in GZIP compression on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.